Good morning, viewers. This is Narayan, advocate from Koundinaya Legal Services at Hyderabad. Today my topic is a will. Who is going to write a will? Any persons can write a will, and it is to be registered or non-registered. A registered will having an authenticity before the courts of law. If any future litigation, anything is going to come, it can be proved that a registered will is always a better than non-registered will. If any litigant is there, they also, even a registered will also can be challenged before the court. In what circumstances the will has been written, or a will have to write by the deceased person in accordance with the law before the two sureties. Even the persons who was writing a will, he must be in sound sense of mind, and without coercion or fraud, he have to write a will. The will to be written by the person or a deceased, there must not be any third person involvement in the will. There is a number of questions. A will is always a doubtful document. There is a number of questions, more than 1,000 questions or 2,000 questions according to the will. It can be given before the court if any subject property is come under litigation. All the number of questions, it will be decided by the court in due process of law. The main thing is, if the person is not interested to take any litigation, then the will can be accepted by the court in accordance with the law. And what are the questions? It is been asked, that will be asked by the defense counsel to the petitioner or plaintiff, that depends upon the will which is being written by the deceased person. For ancestral property, writing the will, it not be accepted. The will can be written for the property, for the self-owned property by the deceased person to the person who is been benefiting the property. The main thing that a will must have a proper authenticity in accordance with the law, and there must not be any ambiguity or a doubtful which is in against to the law. Such a will cannot be accepted. The will is then such a document, it is to be proved before the court if the persons take any litigation for the will which has been benefited. And all the assets will be considered by the court if the person is been taking the litigation about the will. Thank you.